Muchachos, let me show you how you can unsubscribe fast and easy. All you need to do is to use the app that I will put in my bio. It's less email and it's very simple. It cleans your email in minutes. What used to take hours now takes minutes with this tool. Basically, it reduces the size of your inbox, unsubscribe from unwanted emails, and delete messages in bulk for free today. The best part, it's free. You get unlimited free usage for the first 24 hours today. So if you want clearer headspace, if you want to be able to concentrate and not waste time with spam and other crazy stuff like that, you get this tool. It works with Yahoo, Gmail, and Outlook, and the best, it's sustainable, so uh, it will not sell your data to make this work, right? Because if it's always free, they will sell your data to be able to pay for the computers, the servers, the technique, and whatever. So this has a pro version, so to create rules and filters to automatically manage your inbox with Less Mail Pro. So I got this tool for you, right? And because it says to create rules and filters with Less Mail Pro, let's see how. It doesn't say. Too bad. So I want to show you another crazy tool to managing your emails. It's called Paste Email. It has a Chrome extension, an iOS extension, and all of that. You go to paste.email, and this is the tool. This is the way to tame your inbox. It's one of the tools that I simply can't see my life without. And it's simply amazing because it creates burner accounts with just a click. You get burner account. Let me show you how you what you get. You get temporary disposable burners, right? You have it, and with one single click, actually, you, as you can see, I really use it. And for example, let's say I wanted to I'll show you this in a minute after I present you the real tool, the the real homepage of the tool. So you can use personalized or anonymous temporary burners, uh, which are regular email accounts, right? To buffer yourself from messages until you want them. So you decide when you want to receive them, and not only to receive them, but you can get to receive them in bulk. And that means a lot because you receive the email digest, whatever, when you want it, and you can also get them to receive them for free in a summary. So let me show you what I mean. You go to the Chrome extension. So let's say I want to receive all of these, right? With a one simple click, I can copy and paste to subscribe, to use this email to subscribe to newsletters and whatever. As you can see, I put newsletters here. And if you click this, you can see the view digest. You can open the mailbox. And what's even better is that you can deliver digest now. And this will be sent to my main inbox right now. So when I want something, I can get it from this directly. But what if you don't want to ever receive them? You can get them to uh, to stay here. So it doesn't matter what you put here. You just untick your main Gmail, your main account, you bypass the first image. We usually use a confirmation, and then you pause the digest. And that means that all of the second email and the rest of them will stay here. This amazing tool will allow you to basically do whatever you want in terms of having a clear headspace, right? So you get your life back. That's what I mean. Let me show you what else is amazing about this. After you receive the confirmation, boom, let's say like that. This took too long to actually use, doesn't matter. Uh, the best part is you can reply to certain to all of the emails that you want. You can reply to them right from here, so you can see the digest. This is a no reply that field.co, so whatever. But if I wanted, I could reply to this right from here. So I no longer need to go to my main inbox and reply from that. I can simply reply from here and send reply. It's that simple. I can put more people, I can customize the message, whatever. And you can get multiple. So the best part is the pricing. Let me show you the pricing, right? The pricing is free. You get up to 5 emails and up to 3 recipients per inbox. One user may 2 workspaces, which is totally fair. And if you get the yearly pricing, for example, you can get this amazing tool for only $5 a month. And if you go to 10, you can get up to 100 email addresses, up to 5 recipients, unlimited workspaces, and whatever. For $20 a month, unlimited everything. Boom. Now you understand how powerful this tool is. I got the premium. You saw that I have I've used this. Whoa, it's getting better and better. It's getting updates right after New Year's Eve. It's even integrated with automation tools like Make. Uh, and you can use multiple usernames that you can create, and you can add your own custom domains. So you can create, for example, an inbox, whatever, from multiple domains. Do you see the power of this tool? So if you ever wanted to clear your head of all of the distractions, then my amazing tool, my recommendation is to use Paste Email. You'll find links in my description, and I hope that you will follow me and use the links in my bio to discover even more amazing tools. And I hope to see you in the next video. Make sure, if you decide to follow me, to click on the follow button and then click on notification bell. That means you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you and have a great day.